Amazon stock is crushing it right now. After the company reported earnings, they're up over 6.5%. So let's break them down and make sure to follow along for more. So earnings per share came in at $1.43 versus the $1.14 expected, and revenue came in at $158.88 billion versus $157.2 billion. So they double beat. And AWS slightly missed $27.4 billion of revenue there versus $27.5 billion expected, and advertising revenue came in line with expectations at $14.3 billion. And their cloud segment grew 19% year over year, which lagged behind Azure and Google's cloud. And Azure, by the way, is from Microsoft.